All right, sixth grade mathematicians, game number two. Game number two has to do with orders of operation. All right, so I wrote this out to remind you of the orders of operation. Remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And so to remind you that the P stands for parentheses, I put parentheses around the P. The E is for exponent, I give it an exponent. M is for multiplication, I put a multiplication sign in the middle. D is for division, I put the division sign there. A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. So you do it in this order. You always start with the parentheses. And remember, exponents, it does not mean when you have 3 to the third power. That does not mean 3 times 3. That means 3 times 3 times 3. All right? So if you say that this is 9, you are absolutely wrong because 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So you need to be very careful with those exponents. All right? Remember, you multiply and divide left to right, add and subtract left to right. Okay? So hopefully that reminds you. Now also, you'll notice in some of these, and let me show you a little bit, so it's probably kind of hard for you to see on the screen. If it has something like this, okay, you've got parentheses and then you have the exponent on the outside. You do the things in parentheses first, and then you do the exponent. All right, so you need to be careful with those. Okay, so this maze is game number 2. And you can choose to do this. So if you choose to do yesterday's assignment and you do this assignment, then you're done for the week. And you don't have to worry about the other 2 games. Or if you want the 105%, the other 2 games we did earlier this year, and you'll just need a refresher for those. And they're actually kind of fun. So you could do all 4 assignments and earn 105%. Okay, so it's entirely up to you. So if you want to write this down on the top of your paper, this will give you a good reminder for when you're going through the maze. And also I want you to take note of the little hint on the directions. It says, please note all boxes might not be used. Okay, so not all boxes will need to be used to go from the start to the finish. All right, if you have any questions, you can always email me. I want you to keep thinking, keep watching, always stay curious, and have fun going through the maze.